Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and on today's episode, I'm going to share with you a very kid-friendly soda. I use frozen fruit for this, which I thaw, and then we make a nice little simple syrup, mix it up, and then add in just a little bit of sparkling water. My son loves this. He obviously doesn't drink soda because he's only 3, but when he gets this, he thinks it's soda. So I'm excited to share it with you. I love it. I know your kids will love it. So let's get started.
Occasionally, I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This so-called life. This so-called life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. 'Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Now they're round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Before I knew it, I was hurt by some stupid thing I overheard. I never built the wall, shut it